The CobraHead Broadfork is an essential tool when using a no-till approach to soil preparation. The Broadfork lifts and aerates soil without shredding it as a motorized tiller does. The Broadfork is also excellent for heavy-duty weeding, and it can assist in harvesting root crops. The CobraHead Broadfork is lightweight. It only weighs 14 pounds. It uses a traditional Broadfork design, but with a unique through the crossbar tine mounting system that makes the tool stronger and easier to clean. The strong and flexible ash wood handles are a pleasure to work with. We recommend wearing hard-soled shoes when working with the Broadfork to avoid injuring your instep. The fork is easy to use, even for smaller gardeners. After initial forking, you can clean out all the weeds with a CobraHead Original tool. For smoother soil, do repeated passes, better if from an opposite direction.